Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, I'm pretty excited to get this in the mail. It's the PDP Riffmaster. Now, the hype for this accessory has been pretty real, especially for those of you growing up playing Rock Band in the Fortnite Festival. And seeing those prices for the accessories themselves on eBay, it's kind of ridiculous. So it's nice to see a brand like PDP actually develop the Riffmaster. For now, this is still sold out everywhere, but I'm seeing in the upcoming months, it'll probably catch up to the demand itself. But let's open it up and take a look. But first, we can see outside on the box here, it's compatible with the Fortnite Festival and Rock Band 4 itself, and it's usually a standard size guitar, but it's collapsed for better storage in the box. And here I have the PS5, PS4 version, but there is also an Xbox version, and this actually works with PC itself too. So let's pull this out. I'm doing this one-handed here at the moment. You can excuse me. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna pull it out. All right. Let's pull it out, huh? Oh man, I feel like a kid in Christmas again. Except I was able to use both hands to open this. Come on, come on. It's that feeling when you're dealing with like boxes. You're struggling to deal with boxes themselves. Okay, let's do that. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh man. Well, this wasn't gonna be a professional unboxing, but hey, what is that? A 20% off code. It's nice to know they packaged it in there really well. Okay. Let's do that. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright, here we go. So, we have the guitar. We have a 20% off from PDP. Always appreciate it. I guess you guys could scan that too if you want. I don't really plan on buying anything. Nice little manual. Nice guitar, neatly folded in, packaged. It looks really nice too. I grew up buying the actual Rock Band 1 set. So it's nice to get the sense of nostalgia, but we'll put the guitar on the side now. Let's see what we got here. So here we have the USB. That's kind of popped out, but this is the USB dongle that you connect onto your PlayStation or PC to get that wireless portability. Here we have this neat little strap for the guitar itself. And we have a USB cable. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable, which will charge the guitar itself, or you can just plug and connect. This is going to be the top part of the guitar. And stuff that you can eat, but I don't recommend you eating. All right, let's pull this baby out of the plastic. It really is folded pretty neatly though. Now at the moment I'm seeing this guitar being resold for about $200, which isn't really terrible, but I take it if you're patient enough, you can always just get the next batch. I personally got mine on Amazon on day of release. So on the PDP website itself, it was sold out on release, but on Amazon there's a good couple hours you could have just placed your order in and you would get it. Oh, here is this bad boy. Here she is. Let's move that out of the way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's Can you see that? I know it looks weird with the plastic. You ever seen those new car videos or those new electronic videos where people just peel off the plastic? It's always such a nice feeling. Oh boy. Could have done better with less plastic though. Do that. Let's unwrap this off the camera. Alright, leave that there. Cool. The plastic itself. Let's take this off camera real quick. Now, I don't plan on reselling this at all. I'm just gonna keep this for myself to get that sense of nostalgia. I have Rock Band 4 Rivals downloaded on my PlayStation. It's on sale for $9.99.99. And they just had their last DLC release. Probably a good couple months ago. Here it is. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Let's plug this bad boy on. Let's put this down there. Okay. All right. And here we go. This is the guitar right here. It's freaking awesome. If you guys want to see me do a review, a better, higher quality review, I guess, let me know in the comments below. But other than that, this is the guitar. It's freaking awesome. And I hope you guys can get it soon down the line too. Have a great day. Thank you.